This is TJ back again with Robinhood Coins, and I'm here with another $half hunt. I've already flipped or opened this up and looked at all of the enders, and unfortunately I don't have any silver enders, and I didn't actually notice any NIFC enders, which the last couple of boxes we've had a lot of NIFCs. So if I don't find a whole lot, then we have a couple more boxes of halves to make this a 2-box hunt if needed. And hopefully we find some silvers and we find some coins that we can add to the Kennedy collection and some coins that we can add to the Robinhood giveaways. So we're all set up with the Rob Finds Treasure coin mat. Got my box of halves, the red book, microscope, and we're ready to go. I'll loop everyone in or turn the camera back on if we find any silver or NIFCs. All right, so we're 21 rolls in, and I finally got the first find of the box. It's been a pretty slow box, but we just got this 1973S. So I got my first or second proof that I've ever gotten. It's my first 1973, and hopefully you can see that, but I'll take it under the microscope real quick. So that way you can see there, yep, 1973S. So awesome find. I'll take it. It's kind of worn and definitely been circulated, but it's still a proof. It used to be a proof, and you can still see some of the shine. So that's good stuff. We're gonna keep hunting through here and see what else we can find. So I finished hunting that box, and unfortunately we didn't find any silver, but we did have a couple good finds. The first one is this 1973S proof. So you could still see a little bit of the shine, a little bit of the dull in the face or the head. So that was a good find. Glad to see that. Then I also had this 1994. It's in pretty good condition, but it's got this different texture to it, to the metal. I've seen that in a couple of different coins. I don't know exactly what it's called. I watched another video where they talked about it, but I don't remember exactly what it was called. So if you could comment below what that is called in the field of the coin. It's not really bubbling, it's almost like pressure on the coin causing it to have a different texture. Hopefully you can see it in this view. But anyway, it was just an interesting type of texturing, and so I saved 2 coins that had that. And then I also had a decent stack of the ones with the toning. And so, like, hopefully you can see that, but the like the gold toning. So I'm gonna see about if these upgrade any of my gold toning collection, and then I have a few others that could potentially update my Kennedy collection. But other than that, didn't get a whole lot. So I think I'm gonna make this a 2-box hunt and crack into the second box. So cracking into the second box here, I've already checked all the enders front and back and didn't see any silver. Didn't see any NIFCs either, which is interesting because the first 4 boxes produced a lot of NIFCs. So hopefully we're going to get some silver here or some NIFCs, maybe some more proofs, and add to the collection, as well as add to the Robinhood coin giveaway. All right, we're 13 rolls in, and we got our first find of first really good find of the box. We have an NIFC P 2003. It's in pretty good condition too. So that's the first find of the box. Now, I say that, but I did find several uncirculated 1993 Ds. This top one probably is the best condition, but I found 3 of them total. You could just tell they're just haven't lost their luster. They're still uncirculated, so I don't know if it was a collection dump. A couple boxes ago, I had pretty much a whole roll of 1993 Ds, so I don't know if this is a part of that. And then I also found this bicentennial with some gold toning. But NIFC 2003, it's one that I don't have, so that's really cool. And that's the first official find of the box set. And now we're just going to keep on hunting. 47th roll in, and we get another NIFC. This time it's a 2005 P. So we have the Philadelphia Mint 2005. Great condition NIFC. And this one I already have in the collection, so I'm going to add this to the Robinhood coin pile. It'll be part of the giveaway. 2005 P. And we're going to finish out this roll. See if there's anything else, which it does not look like it. Oh, well, we have this. This one's almost uncirculated. 1986. I mean, the back does look uncirculated. That's pretty good. But nothing special out of that. Well, we'll get into the last two rolls and let you know if we find anything. So I finished all 50 rolls, and unfortunately we didn't find any silver. However, I did find two NIFCs. The first is a 2003, which I don't have any 2003s yet, so that's definitely going to go in my collection. And then the next one was a 2005, which I do already have 16 of these, so I'm definitely going to give this away as the Robinhood coin giveaway for this video. I also found a 1996, which was almost uncirculated. It still has its original shine to it. You can even see on the sides. And I found 8 of the 1993 that were almost uncirculated. And you could see that they all still have their original shine. Very, very good condition. And then a 1986, which is also pretty much uncirculated. It's got 2 thin scratches down the side, or down the front, but still has its original shine. And then finally I found these gold tonish coins, bicentennial, 72, 81, another 72, 93. They are all in really good condition, and they have the gold toning. And I'm trying to build a collection of Kennedy half dollars just out of the gold tone look. So those will hopefully upgrade several of that collection. Well, thank you guys all for joining, and hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. As always, I try to give away at least one coin or dollar bill from all of my videos, unless I just didn't find anything. So just by watching, you can put in for those random giveaways. As usual, I'll go ahead and give away the 2005 NIFC that I mentioned, and what the giveaway will be a random draw after 25 people have commented on the video. So if you like the video, if you want to be in for that 2005, go ahead and give it a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and after I have 25 comments, we'll go ahead and give that away. Until the next video, happy hunting.